connected.
Ready to fight! Ready to fight! Ready to fight! Ready! We're ready! But I'm like a fortress. I can't penetrate when it gets hard. I don't even flinch. Fear is not a factor. Give him an inch. Welcome to the vortex. Absolute ground zero of my heart. They're never gonna tear my soul apart. In the eye of the storm. Let's go! I'm strong, just waiting for the right moment to strike. Cold like a cobra coming to life. I'm everywhere! Some pills! In the eye of the storm inside, I am silent and strong, just waiting for the right moment to strike. Cold like a cobra coming to life. In the eye of the storm inside, I am silent and strong, just waiting for the moment. Never see me coming. My desk is plenty of pills, guys. I am waiting for the moment. It's a mess on my desk. It's a method! I'm just waiting for the moment. Never see me Okay. Almost clean. It's almost clean. Almost. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Okay, let's tidy up these bills. Boom. Okay. Done. Wow. Everywhere. Even below my desk. Under my desk. Boom. Okay, ready. Ready to go. Ready to fight. Ready to win or lose today. Ready. As every day. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. So, what is going on the chat? Hello, everyone. Hello.
Hello, Bear Trader. Let's go, baby. Hello, Joglimeister. Good afternoon or good morning. It depends where you are from in the world. Many tries. Hello, Son of Frost Street. Hello, l'étoile du matin. Hello, yup, Mika Short. Always late. Mika Short. Soon I'm gonna start the live stream at 8 a.m. 30 Eastern time or 2 p.m. 30 Central time. Soon. Morning, everyone. May you have all a green trading day. That's what we're gonna fight all together to get a green day today. In live, baby, in live. Oh, hello, Kalin. Hello, Tony Gold. Hello, Olivier. Hi, Flo. Hi, everyone. Hello, Lindsay from UK. Hello, Ryo from Madagascar. How are you today? As usual, I'm good. I'm good, and I'm even more in shape than yesterday. Always fearful. Of course, l'étoile des matins, and you too, always fearful. Always here, l'étoile des matins. Thank you so much for that. I hope you are doing well, l'étoile des matins. Algo Joe, what's up? Hello, Z-Code, yo, broski. Hello, Joglimeister, let's go. Hello, RDQC, Marco Polo. Hello, everyone, Legio Patria Nostra. BB Fuck, hey Flo, how are you today? I'm fine. I don't even know why you are asking how I'm doing every day, because every day I'm doing super well. Did you renew your oil contracts? Oh, I forgot. Fuck. I forgot. Outfit out of 10. Minus 10 out of 10, I think. Guys, I supposed to be in military today. I say to myself, okay, I'm gonna try to be a military guy today. An American guy in the US Force Army. But I don't know if we can consider it as a success or not. Or just on my up body, I don't know. I don't even know if we can consider it as a military guy. Maybe I need to invest sometimes in costumes or in a costume on the US Navy SEALs or on the US Navy SEAL. Hope you got some rest, Flow, after crazy partying. Yeah, all the morning. Hey. Thank you. I slept too much this night and doing a bit some sports, and then I'm fresh. I'm freaking fresh. Well, can I ask you, May, you can do a live in French and you can put AI traduction in English, no? So if I have to do that, it would be the opposite, but I don't even know how to do it, so unfortunately not, l'étoile du matin. But if you have the solution, why not? Hi Flo, Charlie. Hello Charlie. Hello Stefan. I hope you're doing well. Miguel Angelac. Hello everybody. Hello Brad. Good morning, Brad. How you doing, Brad? From Texas. Let's go, baby. Glad you got some rest. I hope you're doing well too, and that you get in a short future a lot of payouts. Lindsay, Mirage message. How was your weekend at Cracovia? So well. We talked about so many topics: business, personal life, professional life, travels, politics, everything. We did a lot of party. We went in a camp shoot. We shooted on a Glock, on some assault rifles, with a sniper too. We did plenty of things. By the way, it was so nice, so cool, and I cannot even wait anymore to come back over there. But it was freaking cold. It was minus 10, and I was all the weekend. I was cold. That was awful. This part, but never mind. I'm still alive. Okay. Let's do a quick market analysis. Then we as you know, I'm gonna trade in live as usual during I think an hour, and then let's start the day 2 of this bootcamp. Let's go, baby! I have so many things to say and to tell you guys during this day 2. How to get consistent payouts. So that's I don't know how long exactly is going to be, but we're gonna do it for sure as usual, and no matter what, how long, no matter what the time is going to take, I'm going to do it for you guys for free. Let's go, baby! The only thing you have to do is use the PPTV code. Use the PPTV code. That's it. And you and me, we will be the most happiest trader in the life, because PPTV code almost guarantee you the payout, or not almost guarantee you the success of your evaluation. Okay, joke aside, let's start this macro analysis on every market on the yes. So we have the same, we are opening in the same day than yesterday, because yesterday it was a holiday day, and that's why we have only one candle in daily, and we have still this gap to fill. So this week is going to be really interesting, because I think we have some chance to fill this gap if the VIX stays low. But what I just saw that the VIX is up, and even more higher than yesterday, plus 28% the VIX. So if it stays like that, if the VIX stays like that, I'm expecting that the US indices, and especially the Nasdaq, is going to break his daily thin lines. And if he breaks his daily thin lines, wow. It will be a big potential pullback on the US indices, and especially on the Nasdaq. It's not impossible, and don't forget, during the midterms years, the midterms on the presidential cycle, so after 2 years after the presidential election, so this cycle is this year in 2026, we have the midterms, and the statistics show us that historically during the midterms it's a bearish year. And for that, I'm ready to have this year a more difficult year, a more technical year in trading, because we're gonna range, we're gonna dump, we're gonna pull back in weekly. For example, in weekly, when we are looking at the weekly chart on US indices, and this one is the Nasdaq, it would be great that we're gonna have a nice pullback in weekly, and this kind of pullback on the US indices will give us a lot of opportunity to invest in the risk assets and on in the stocks. So that's why I love when we are just dumping, like in 2025 last year during the tariffs, or like in 2022 with the higher interest rate, or in 2020 during the COVID. And that's why every time that when we are dumping, we have opportunity on the markets. Okay, so in scalping, in intraday, and in investing. Okay, so then ES is doing the same thing, but is more stronger in macro than the NQ. Let's take a look on the YM, the same thing, that the ES is more stronger than the NQ. So with that we can figure it out, that and notice more. We can notice that the AI and all the tech sector is more slower it doesn't perform as much as the other sectors during the end of 2025 and at the beginning of 2026. Okay, because this AI sector is so high value, is so outperformed the market these past years. That's one time we need to get, I think, in my opinion, we need to get a rebalancing on these markets. Okay, and that's what we have currently on the market. So so that's why just as simple as it is, the Nasdaq, he stays stuck in this range and doesn't perform as well as the ES or the YM. Okay, Russell. So all the small caps and mid caps are so strong, even stronger than the ES and NQ. The European market, for example, the CAC 40 and the DAX had a difficult trading session, had a tough trading session since yesterday, since the beginning of this week. So let's see. If you want, I remind you guys, if you want to trade the DAX, because I know that there are a lot of people who want to trade the DAX, you can trade the DAX on deep chart. You just need to select when you are choosing a Phidias Propfirm account, you need to select the DX feed. The DX feed to trade it with deep chart, and then you can allow to buy the Eurex data feed, and once you have it and you paid it, you can trade the DAX. For example, let's see Eurex, Eurodax over there, and boom.
Connection lost.
Connection lost. Why I lost my connection? Whoa. That's
Connected.
It. Connected. Okay. Everything is working. And boom, I can trade the DAX. All right. Boom. Let's put it back. My micro Nasdaq. Okay, then the VIX. So the VIX is up. I'm gonna be careful, guys, because when the VIX is up, I'm allow myself more than usual, so more than when we have a low VIX, to take some shorts, okay? Because when the volatility goes higher, the market tends to be more bearish, okay? So be careful, guys, because we can have, with this higher volatility, we can have a lot of opportunities, but the volatility is going to increase. And if the volatility is increasing, okay, there are more opportunities, but the risk is increasing too. And that's why you need to be careful on it, about your risk and not the opportunities. Because the opportunities comes by themselves, but the risk, if you are according all your interest and all your mindset on the risk, that's the best way to manage correctly your risk. And if you manage correctly your risk, you could be able to survive on the market. And if you can survive on the market, you could be able to tends to be as the most as possible profitable on the markets. All right, so be careful on this higher volatility. We're gonna trade it all together with a 25k static account, with one micro and some others 25k static account. I'm allowing myself to be more aggressive and trade it with one mini, because I just want to validate the quickest and the fastest as possible some static accounts. That's why, okay, but I'm not recommend and I'm not suggested for everyone. And on 100k fundamental and swing account, I'm gonna trade it still with 4 micros. But if I see during this trading session that the volatility is too high, I'm gonna decrease my size on the 100k fundamental and swing account. But because it's eval account, I don't think so that I'm gonna decrease this size. Okay, but if it would be on a cash account, there's I would have no problem to decrease my size if I'm seeing that the volatility is too high. All right, so I was short on this US crude oil, but we had a rollover this weekend or last Friday, and I didn't do it. Maybe I have to do it during this trading session. And it's just open! Let's go, baby! Let's go! So we have this gap to fill, okay, later. So I'm expecting that we're gonna bounce on this last support and over there because it's a single print, so a huge level, and we just bounced on it. So that's why I'm expecting that we're gonna just reject the previous low, and why not get a pullback in these bearish moves, okay? By the way, we have right now since the open a lot of buyers. We'll see if they're gonna stay at this pace or not, and just let's trade it, guys. Let's trade it. And if we are breaking down this trend line, I'm gonna shift my bias to short, okay? Okay, guys, let's go, baby. I'm gonna put some music and read the chat and trade. What don't kill you, pickers your life. I'm well, thank you for asking, Lindsay. Perfect. Hope you're ready to win a lot of money today. Hello, Mari Foshu. How are you doing? Nice to hear that, lot of things. Charlie, I'm here to see the showman that you are. Okay, you won this morning because the volatility was just insane. Charlie, on which market did you win this morning? Congratulations, by the way, Charlie. Let's go, baby! Oh, really? You're playing airsoft game? Where my flow? Yeah. I showed some videos yesterday about that vodka as heating. No alcohol, not anymore. I'm just disgusting about alcohol, but yeah, that's vodka is a specialty in this country. Well, then, first we have to have a few accounts. I'm in the silver market now. What a mess! Oh, let's take a look on the silver. I have to. We are just ranging. Oh. Wow, the gold! The gold! He's insane! The gold! Even guys, the gold is he's doing almost the same thing than in 1980. Look at it! It's even more crazier. It's even crazier than the Bitcoin. On the 10k Jordan challenge, I don't know how can I today. Maybe on the gold, but I don't know how to win an insane amount of money, for example $400,000. I don't know how for the moment, but I have still 1.5 months to win it, so I have still time. Good evening from India, Tushar. Good morning, good evening to you. How's the flow? The trader Thomas Levesque got back safely yesterday. Yes, Thomas, I have to reply you. I'm going to reply you to answer you on Discord. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello to my Indian friend. The silver graph looks like an overcooked nuggets to say. They are just insane, these commodities. So let's activate the trade copier. No. Nasdaq should go down because of political news and jobs. No good. But they are already dumped, and now we have a gap to fill. So be careful, guys, to have a short bias in this kind of market. What's up, Flo? I'm well, and you, Kryptonite. Is this your new bloody Flo? My new bloody? What do you mean by bloody? What do you mean? When that lady said connection lost, my new blondie artist girls. When that lady said connection lost, I checked my connection. You don't have a reset for 25k. You don't have a reset for 20. You mean that if Phidias doesn't have a reset for the static accounts, or me? Making money in ES this morning? No way, already, Brad. On this open or in the pre-market session? Did you win some money? Hi, let's go, baby. Hello, Sunny Free. What's up today? That's why I love trading metals. Yeah. But the thing is, they are just insane. But sometimes they are just ranging. And when they are ranging like that, impossible to make money. It's almost impossible. Hello, Gaston! How are you doing, Gaston? Okay. So look at it today. We have at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 4 p.m. Central Time, the Supreme Court opinion on tariffs. Then Trump speaks. That's it. Netflix earnings call tonight. And we have the Davos week. This is the week of Davos where every governors, every CEOs, or all the most important people are just getting an rendezvous, an appointment in Davos. It's a yearly appointment. Then we have Wednesday the US GDP. That's going to be it will be a big news. Okay, later this week we're gonna have a lot of interesting news. Okay, let's try a long, if I can. Okay, I'm long. Let's go, baby, push. My entry is not good. Not at all. Not at all! Oh, I'm just panicking! I'm just panic! Okay, I have to get out. What the fuck? Okay, I'm out! Oh, yeah, already $1,011 of loss on a static account. That's expensive. That's expensive. But I cannot reduce my size anymore. One micro long, yeah, and I lost it. Okay, so I lost on this long. What does that mean? Are we just shifting? I don't know yet exactly in which direction we are going. Oh. I want to try. I tried another long. I'm in, baby, let's go, you need to push. We have still more buyers than sellers. That's why I'm taking long than since the opening. But the price is a kind of choppy. And it's the open, so just hit and run. He doesn't want to go higher more. Push! Yes, that's it, baby! Push! Again! Again, come on, break the 320! Break it! Come on, baby! Break it! Let's go. Push, 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 push. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Straight forward to my target. Straight forward. Okay, just over there at 30. I need to be careful. Maybe it's a reverse point. Maybe. I don't know yet. Okay, let's get out. Fuck, the volatility is just insane. Wow. This reverse point was so nasty. That's why during the open you need to hit and run. I put even more farther my target just in case we had a nasty bullish moves, which he just hit just in case my target. That's why I put at 360 TP, but then I don't like this rejection on at 340. That's why I was out. Small win, still losing on the day. Let's try 350. Okay, we have already the 15 minutes OPR. 57. It seems that he wants to dip now. I don't like this trade, but I took it anyway. I'm a bit aggressive on this open. I don't know if it's worth it or not. Maybe not. Come on. Keep going until the 1 minute fin lines. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby, dump! Break down the VWAP! Break it down! And the VWAP on the minis NQ is at 269. 269, okay, so this one is the wrong one because it's on the micro Nasdaq. Whoa, this open is sportful, guys. It's sportful. Let's go, baby. Come on. Until the fin lines. Until the 1 minute fin lines. Fuck. Dump again. We are just bouncing right now on the VWAP. I don't like that. Okay, just stay safe. Okay. That's not the price action that I wanted. That I was looking for. That's not the price action that I was looking for. If it doesn't dump right now, I have to go out. ES is dumping. Nasdaq is stronger than ES. Okay. I don't like this trade. Let's scratch it. If he wants to come back to my entry, I don't like it. It doesn't worth it. No! The volatility is shrinking. It doesn't worth it at all. I'm just gonna scratch it. Time stopped. Small stop. Okay, and as long as we're gonna stay in this 15 minutes up here now, I'm just waiting. I did my open, I lost. Ooh. No, but have you seen the state of the chart scalping? There's risky. Hello Flo, hello Trader Carrier, hi everyone, 284 is a major 61.8 bullish level. That's where we bounced on it. And we have still more buyers now than sellers. Where is Verstappen? Yeah, Verstappen is not anymore here. Okay, we are breaking up the 15 minutes OPR. We are gonna break to the upside. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see the VIX. It's choppy today, it's choppy for the moment. Let's go baby, Bear Trader! Ah, here is it! Bear Trader is in the house! Verstappen is coming back! I'm trying a short. It could be a scalp. We'll see. Yes, is dumping a little bit. That's why the Nasdaq is follow through. But I don't know until when and until where. I'm flexible on my target, guys. I'm not expecting that the NQ is going to go until my target. Ah, yes, we are bouncing on the VWAP on the yes. Fuck. I'm gonna scratch it. I scratch it. I scratch it. Small win. Almost break even. Previous big gap was closed very far after a big pump. Fuck, my short was still good. It is very technical, it is open, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And now it's too late to take any trades. We are at the middle of the 15 minutes OPR. So let's wait. So it's a bit hard today because we have a VIX who's just got who has just did a gap up, a huge gap up, by the way, 28% and now 24%. That's why we have a bearish gap on the US indices, especially on the Nasdaq. And so that's why I'm expecting that later this week or these next days we're gonna fill this gap up, but I missed my entry. And now maybe it's too late. Yeah. That's not good. Keep going, no? Are you rejecting? Are you rejecting your previous hike? My entry was bad. I have to be careful on it. Keep going until 80. Why not 80 or ideally 400? It would be a waste on 400. Come on, push! What the fuck? awful, 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 awful. So choppy, and I was trapped. I'm trapped by this choppy price action today. So after this trade, I'm gonna wait. Something clear, more clear than we have from the open. From the open. Yes, he's dumping. The Nasdaq is dumping. Is a bit dumping, and the Nasdaq is stronger than ES. That's why we have a lot of struggle between the both markets. Oh, visually there's a trend line forming within this range. Yeah, in 1 hour. In 1 hour. Ah, you mean in 1 minute over there? Like that. Okay, I'm stopped. Let's wait. Let's wait. So I just explained before, we have a higher VIX. So when the VIX is getting higher like that, the US indices tends to dump, but we have a gap to fill, and to fill this gap, we need to go higher on the Nasdaq. So on one hand, I'm expecting in these next days that we are going higher, and in another hand, I'm expecting, because of this VIX and these market conditions and these price actions, that we are going to dump. That's why in this open I tried both, long and short. It didn't pay, and in the same time we are just hitting the daily thin lines, and these thin lines, especially in daily, they are working so well. So it's not impossible that we're gonna bounce on it today or later. Okay, we just hit the VWAP and the 1 minute thin lines. We are at the middle of this 15 minutes up here. There's absolutely no setup. No reasons to do anything. Just wait and see it on the hands. Ah, True, but the Nasdaq is overflowed with cash from all over the planet. Money don't lie. Silver, that double bottom plus Obi was waiting for you, long flow. Let's take a look. This double bottom in 1 minute, you mean, Trader Player? No. Or maybe. I remember. Oh, baby, remember. Oh, baby, remember. Maybe, you're right. Maybe you're right. So wait, I have an account with $200,000, but I don't remember which one is it. Okay, there's absolutely no reason to take a trade inside of this. We are just stuck in this 15 minutes up here, completely at the middle. Okay, I took a long on the silver. All in for the 10k drawdown challenge. Yes, PPTV choppy day. Oh yes, that's awful. I was fucked by Antis Open. That's why sometimes I'm winning a lot and doing my day on the Open. Sometimes I'm just getting fucked at the Open. And I need to be careful on it. Okay, we are just approach and getting closer to the trend line. Let's see if we're gonna break it down or not. No. Another boring trade, boring day. Another annoying day trading. It could be on the silver, a nice rejection of the low of this area, of this zone. And then we could just bounce on it and reach again the previous all-time high. Why not print 96 and then 97 and then 98 and then 99 and then 100? Flo, do you see the selling orders and iceberg orders on NQ? Nope. And you? Do you see it? If yes is dumping again, short is the best position. Yeah, and I'm open to take some shorts, but ideally I prefer to take some shorts after that we are breaking this trend line in 1 hour. And we have not break it yet. We have not break it yet. And we have still more buyers than sellers. But the price doesn't go higher, so that's why Kryptonite told us on the chat that there are some iceberg holders who's just absorbing every market orders on the ask. Yes, has break his 1 minute trend line. Let's see. Yeah, and yes, he's weaker than more weaker than the NQ, and just leading since the open. But even if he's weaker than the NQ, he's still ranging, and there's not opportunity. Okay, good lessons. Thank you, Flo. You're welcome, with pleasure. But I'm looking on it. Huh? I'm looking on it. At the both NQ and yes. Yes, he's just reintegrating his 15 minutes OPR and NQ doesn't move anymore. What a fight, what a battle between the buyers and sellers. There are so much more buyers. On the Nasdaq, but the price doesn't move higher. Buyers not giving up yet. No, 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 no. They are still here. They are still here. Ben, hello from France. How are you? What's up? Hey, I'm doing well, and you? What about you, Ben? Ben that. Guys, I want to try a short. I'm anticipating. And maybe I'm instant wrong. Oh yeah, instant wrong. What a shitty price action. Let's try to reinforce. I reinforced. Ideally as a scalp. But you need to break it down right now. Right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. Come on, come on. And because we have a choppy price action, let's put the first target not too far. Come on, 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 come on. Come on. Are you making fun of me, Nasdaq, or what? Yes, has rejected his VWAP, so that's good for us, but he needs to dump. He needs to still dump. Day trading finish, all account daily win. No way, congrats for you, Ben. Congratulations. In this choppy market, congrats. He went to 54, 3 points to my fucking target. Come on, dump! Oh, I have to go out again. Just go out. Go out. Come on. I hate this market. Why I'm trading it? I don't know. I don't know. By chance I was out. Sellers weekly target 25,040. Guy, look at it. So tough today, so tough. In 8 minutes we have the initial balance. Maybe it could give me a better opportunity to trade these strategic trades, to trying to play the breakup or breakdown of the initial balance. Now what is market? Dangerous today. So yeah. Honestly, the best thing today is not to trade. Huh? My shot got ducked too. Oh yeah. Catastrophe. Oh. Half day means dangerous. It's not yet the half day. No. I stick to my 1 hour chart to keep chill. It's this one, the 1 hour chart. It stays bullish. And yes, he's already breaking up his 15 minutes OPR and his initial balance. Whoa. Look at YM. What he's doing the YM. He's just exploding. Exploding. Supreme Court doesn't rule on Trump's tariffs Tuesday. The US Supreme Court declined to rule on President Donald Trump's tariff on Tuesday, implying that a challenge to his signature economic policy will likely take at least another month to resolve. The court is ready to take a 4-week recess, and according to its customary procedures for issuing decisions, the next possible date for a tariff ruling is February 20. Good to know this one. Ah, le blue terror. Okay, we are on the resistance of the 15 minutes OPR, and in 2.5 minutes we have the initial balance, which is gonna be done and shaped. So we'll see. Trump said about Macron, but as you know, he's gonna be out of office in a few months. Next friend. In few months, 15 months, 15 months, 15 months, he's gonna be out. He will be out. Still waiting a setup, and now the ES is so stronger than the NQ. We had the both. We have today an ES which was weaker than the NQ, and now he's stronger than the NQ. Come on, Nasdaq, do something! If it stays like that, I think I'm not gonna trade it anymore for today. And anyway, I'm looking at this trading session during an half hour. And then we're gonna start the day 2 of this bootcamp. And I'm gonna be down for this trading session. This shitty price action. And then, by the way, we have already the initial balance. But to take a long over there, I would like to get a bigger pullback. I cannot take a long. Even if we are breaking to the upside the initial balance high, it doesn't matter. If I have to take a long, I have to wait a bigger pullback. Okay, so we break it. Today is so shitty for my own trading method. No, 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 no. And we are not moving anymore. Hello, VK. Amazing. Thank you, bull flag. Bull flag. Where is your bull flag? There's no bull flag. And then we are pushing just straight forward like that. Unbelievable. Hakim, maybe you. Guys, as I told you, on another 25k static account, I'm just allow myself to be really aggressive. That's why I put 2 minis to the upside. But I don't give a fuck even if I blow this account, just to pass an account the fastest as possible. And if it goes to my target, I'm going to succeed and pass this a 25k static account. Let's go, baby! And if I have this cash account, I have to wait a lower volatility to trade it. Because when you start to trade it, you have only $500 as a drawdown. And even if you are trading one micro contract on the NQ, if you have only $500 of drawdown, it's not enough. It's not enough. So that's why it's better to wait a lower volatility. But you're gonna see, I'm gonna be break even. At $200 to my target. And we are right now doing a potential pullback on the initial balance high. I hope for this account that it's a pullback on the initial balance high. Let's go push! Is it a fixed drawdown once you pass the 25k static to live? Static to live. So now live, it's not the same thing as a cash, as a funded account. As when you are trading the static account in evaluation, it's a fixed drawdown. Then if you pass it, you're gonna be in a cash account. So a cash account, it's a funded account. It stays the same thing. It's a fixed one, a drawdown fixed one. It stays at minus $500. And then if you succeed and reach your profit target in a cash account, you're gonna get a live account, and on your live account, the maximum drawdown is your is zero on your live account. Okay, break even. It's impressed me every time that some days you can do everything. It's impossible to win. They're just impossible. Some days it's impossible. Okay. Okay, that's why so many traders like his Phidias account. Yeah. Sometimes it's tough because you are at the beginning you have a close and narrow drawdown, but then once you are winning a little bit, you have a more wider and a more large drawdown. So that's nice. Okay, 20 minutes. Let me 20 minutes on this trading session, and then we're gonna start the day 2 of this bootcamp. Camera is okay, I'm not expecting that today we are going to fill this gap, but why not tomorrow? And of course, he needed to stop me, break even, after going to my target. Classic. Time to break NQ. How you want to break it? In two. Oh, it's so annoying today. Classic, Kalin. You notice one, Kalin. I know it by heart. Market makers are just watching our live stream, guys. Why not fill this gap today, guys? I don't think so, Trader KR. I don't think so. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think so. The gap is at 25,681. We need to do again 277 points. I don't think so. And we're gonna have the 1 hour thin lines. Hey, classic! I'm break even, and he reached my my target. Classic. Okay. A little punchline from Davos, and we break out to the upside in the blink of an eye. That's not impossible, but from tomorrow, not today. And Davos, by the way, I don't even know when it starts exactly. It seems that it's not starting today, but tomorrow. Trump speaks in Davos tomorrow. Davos sound like Davos. Okay, 15 minutes to go after the end of this live trading session and start the day 2 of this bootcamp. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna try a long on this pullback. Just try it. I'm ready to take a small stop. Hi John! Hi Soldier John! What's up today? It would be great to reinforce if it's a real bounce, if it's a real pullback. But I don't know yet if it's a real pullback or not. Mirage. Catastrophic today. Today it's just catastrophic. Today it's not my day. Okay, let's scratch it. I don't give a fuck anymore. Let's stop this trading session. I cannot win today. I can do what I want. I can do everything. I'm not gonna win today. This kind of day you just need to stop the earlier as possible you need to stop. I'm fine, I made my target yesterday and today. Let's go, baby! John SL! Really, you long here? Let's... Hola, Gary. I didn't trade this afternoon. Consistency is key, John SL. You're right. Hello, XO. Just because I have some thin lines over there, we just bounced pretty good over there. And we bounced over there too. That's why I took a long. But yes, it's a choppy market, and if I didn't take it this pullback over there, it would rip back up of 50 points for sure. I don't give a fuck anymore. I've stopped trading for the day. Coming back tomorrow. Okay, guys, let's start the bootcamp. The day 2. You can rename as John TP. So today, guys, the goal is to know how to get some payouts and how to get a live account. Okay. For your trading for the day 2, and I have many things to say. I have a lot of things to say. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Never mind, we are here and we're gonna do the job. Okay, all right, guys, let's go, baby. We are in mission, maybe 1 hour, if I'm enough quick. Boom. Okay. So I'm gonna try to be enough efficient to do as the fastest as possible, right? Yeah, very cool. Are you brothers? Of course they are brothers. Baby. Okay. So yesterday, normally we built our strategy, your strategy. So today I'm going to show you why having a strategy and actually making money are two completely different things. Because everyone have a strategy, but not everyone are making payouts. Okay, so here's a stat that should terrify you. 78% of traders who pass their evaluation never ever receive a single payout. Not one. They get funded, they start trading live, and within 60 days, maximum their account is gone. 60 days maximum. Why? Because they treat their funding account like it's still an evaluation. They don't understand that everything changes the moment you go live. And today, that's why we are building Fortis Day 2 Fortis Bootcamp, your blueprint to consistent payouts. And this is the roadmap that takes you from I passed my eval to I'm receiving regular withdrawals. We are going to cover the psychological traps that destroy funded accounts, the exact process to transition from evaluation to live trading at Phidias, and the strategic framework that turns one payout into 10, 20, 50 consecutive withdrawals. Okay, this is where theory ends and real money begins. Let's get to work, guys, all together. So, the invisible killer, why funded traders fail. Let me tell you about Michael. Michael spent 3 months perfecting his strategy. He passed his 100k evaluation in 12 days. Clean execution, disciplined, risk management, textbook trading, everything. He activated his funding account, and in his first week he made $3,200. He was ecstatic. In his second week, he gave back $2,800. By week 4, his account was below the minimum threshold. By week 6, he was liquidated. That's the classic pattern too. The classic one. Joglimeister, how many payouts will the 12% reach? 1 or more? It depends. The top 1% is going to get 5, 10, 20, 50 payouts, and the 12% is going to get only 1, 2, 3 maximum. It depends. Okay, so what happened for Michael? Michael made the same mistake that kills 78% of funded traders. He changed his behavior the moment real money was on the line. Let me break down the 5 invisible killers that destroy funded accounts. Okay, so the killer number 1 is the profit pressure. During your evaluation, you had one goal. Hit the profit target. Simple, clear, binary. But on a funded account, there's no finish line. You can make money every single day, and that's where the trap opens. You start thinking, if I can make $500 today, why not $1,000? If I can make $1,000 today, why not $2,000? And this is called profit maximization bias, and it's a little. You start taking trades outside your rules. You will increase position size. You hold runners longer than your system dictates. You stop following your strategy because you're chasing a number instead of executing a process. And to fix it, set just a daily profit target. I don't like to have a daily profit target personally, okay? For myself, I prefer just to take what the market gives me, and that's it. But you can have the both, either profit target or just taking the what the market is giving to you. And when you hit it, these profit targets, you're done. Walk away, protect your gains. The killer number 2 is the drawdown anxiety. Here's what nobody tells you about end of day drawdown on evaluation accounts. It actually protects you. On a fundamental evaluation at Phidias, your drawdown trails your equity. You make $1,000. Your drawdown moves up $1,000. This forces you to protect every time your gains. But here's a psychological shift. When you are a funded account and your drawdown stops trailing at a certain level, for example, if you have a 50k account, the trailing drawdown ends to trail at $50,100. Okay, so at this point, you suddenly have more room to breathe, more space to breathe, and breathing room becomes reckless room. Traders think, I have more buffer now. I can take bigger risks now. But that's wrong. That's wrong. Dead wrong. The moment you start using your drawdown buffer as a reason to trade, loser, you've already lost. Your rules don't change just because your account structure does. The killer number 3 is revenge trading after profits. This one is maybe counterintuitive. You would think revenge trading happens after losses, but I can guarantee you that it does. Of course, it does, but it also happens after wins. Oh yeah, so much. And here's the pattern. You have a great morning. Your afternoon doesn't matter. You're up $800. You're feeling invincible. Then you take one more trade outside your rules, or maybe in your rules, and it goes against you. You lose $400, and then you want to come back. You want to recover it, this loss. Now you are at $400, but you're furious. You were at plus $800. You want it back, so you take another trade, and another. And by the end of the day, you are negative. And look where the Nasdaq is just bouncing. It's bouncing on my 1 minute thin lines. Classic. Okay, and this is profit surrender revenge trading, and it's even more dangerous than loss-based revenge trading because you don't see it coming. And to fix it, I have a simple rule for me that I'm gonna just tell you in a few seconds. If you give back more, but another thing to fix it, if you give back more than 50% of your daily profit, you stop trading immediately. No exceptions. The market will be there tomorrow. And my personal rule is, if I'm giving back, if I'm doing my enough profits for the day, and if I give it back almost all the profits of the day, I'll stop trading and come back tomorrow. That's my personal rule. That helps me so much. Okay? The killer number 4 is overtrading to prove consistency. Phidias, for example, requires 10 trading days between payouts. Other prop firms have similar requirements. And traders interpret this as I need to trade every single day to hit my 10 days faster. But this is a wrong approach. A trading day is only counted if it's a profitable trading day and not just any profit. A meaningful one. So for a 50k account, that's $150 minimum. For a 100k account, it's $200 minimum. And for a 150k account, that's $250 minimum. Okay? So traders start forcing trades. They trade when there's no setup. They trade when conditions are poor. They trade just to log a trading day. But this is how you blow up a funded account. And to fix it, only trade when your edge is present. If that means you only trade 3 days this week, so be it. Quality over quantity. Always, always, always. Especially in trading, guys. The next killer, number 5, is ignoring the 30% consistency rule. This rule only applies to funded cash accounts, not evaluations. But most traders don't understand it until it's too late. Here's how it works. If your total profits on your funded account is $1,000, no single trading day can represent more than 30% of that total profit. So $300, okay? That means no single day can exceed $300. Just like today. yeah, Alexandre, yeah. So if you make $400 in one day and your total profit is $1,000, you're violating the consistency rule. Okay? You don't get liquidated, but you cannot request a payout until you increase your total profit to at least $1,000, $34. Okay? That's where $400 represents 30% within limit. Okay? So, to fix it, spread your profits across multiple trading days. Don't try to make your entire month's profits in only one session. And if you do it, never mind. Just stay consistent, guys, okay? These 5 killers are just invisible because they feel like smart trading decisions in the moment. But they are the reason most funded traders never see a payout. Now let me show you the exact blueprint to avoid these traps. The Phidias pathway from evaluation to live accounts. For example, Phidias offers multiple pathways to live trading. Most traders don't understand that choosing the right pathway is a strategic decision that can save you months of time and thousands of dollars. And just for that, let me break down the 3 main routes. Hello, Somion! What's up? The first pathway. Consistency is the key to payout. Oh yeah. And even on your personal live account. So the first way is a 25k static account. It's so underrated power. And it's the fast track to live. Okay? So as I said, this is just the most underrated account in the Propfirm industry. And here's why. What makes it unique? Static $500 drawdown. It never trails. You always have $500 of room. Minimum, okay? Then the second point, $1,500 of profit target on evaluation and in cash funded, in cash accounts. The third point, no end of day trading drawdown on cash or live. or even not in evaluation accounts. No consistency rule on live accounts. No minimum trading days required for payouts on cash accounts and not even in live. Direct access to live account after hitting target on cash. That's just unbelievable on these 25k static accounts. That's why we are fighting every single day on these accounts and by the way on every account too, but especially on this one to start this year. And the strategic advantage, most traders think it's only 25k. The profit potential is small. Wrong thinking, guys, wrong thinking. The 25k static is your fastest route to a live account. And here's the math. The 25k static is your you can hold up to 5 cash 25k static accounts. You have 5 slots. So that means you can get until 5 accounts of 25k static account, okay? Simultaneously. So let's say you pass all 5 evaluations using your strategy from day 1. You activate all 5 cash accounts, and each cash account requires you to hit the 1,500 targets, okay? Classic. When you do, you receive $1,000 payout bonus per account. But about this $1,000 payout, you have the profit split 80%, 20%. And all 5 accounts are transferred to one live account, okay? So $500 for sure is credited to your live account. So do the math. 5 accounts. $500 accounts. That's wrong. That's just wrong. It's $500 account. 500, okay? As a bonus. Credited to your live account. It's equal to $2,500, okay? $2,500 in your live account. That's just wrong. I don't know what there are this, but it's wrong. Okay? And direct in live. And in live, no minimum trading days, daily payouts equivalent to 50k accounts. This is equivalent to a 50k fundamental account, but you got there through 5 smaller ones, okay? More manageable evaluations with static drawdown. So who should use this pathway? All the traders who struggle with trading drawdown, all the traders who want the fastest route to live, all the traders who have proven consistency on smaller accounts, and all professional traders who want maximum flexibility on live accounts. The next route, the next pathway is the fundamental route, the classic path. This is the standard pathway most traders choose. 50k or 100k fundamental accounts, because they are intraday trading only, no overnight holds, end of day trading drawdown during evaluation, profit targets $4,000 for a 50k or $6,000 for a 100k, minimum 3 trading days, and 10 trading days between payouts on cash accounts. Pay activation fee over there. There's only pay activation fee if you are choosing the evaluation account. But you know, by Phidias Propfirm, they have the best price on this Propfirm industry with and thanks to the OTP, one-time payment. Trade cash account and profitable. Yeah, that's all for the fundamental and swing trading accounts. But I'm coming on it. So step 1, pass your evaluation, hit your profit target, respect drawdown, minimum 3 days. Step 2, pay activation fee if you have an evaluation account, or if you have an OTP account, it's just free because it's only one-time payment, no monthly fees. Alright? That's why the OTP are so much better than the evaluation one, because you don't need to pay activation fee. Alright? With PPTV code. Then step 3, start trading your cash account. And step 4, after 10 profitable trading days, request your first payout. Step 5, the last step, after 3 total payouts on one account, or $75,000 cumulative payouts across all accounts, you transition to live. Bam! Just like that. The strategic advantage. This pathway is ideal for day traders who want larger account sizes, up to 150k for example, prefer intraday trading without overnight risk, are comfortable with end-of-day trading drawdown, want to scale up to live fruit-proven consistency. And the key insight, you can hold up to 5 cash fundamental accounts simultaneously, okay? Like the 25k static account. And this means you can be working towards that $75,000 cumulative payout across multiple accounts, okay? The next pathway is the swing route for patient capital. So you have like the fundamentals, the 50k, 100k, 150k accounts. But on this one you can do overnight trading and overweek holds allowed. End of day trading drawdown during evaluation, of course, and during the cash accounts. Larger position sizes for overnight holds and same payout structure as fundamental accounts. Okay, so the strategic advantage on these accounts is swing accounts had an 83% higher success rate than intraday accounts in our analysis of 19,000 traders. So why? Just because swing traders aren't fighting the opening volatility. For example, today, they can let trades develop over multiple sessions. They face less psychological pressure and they trade higher probability setups with larger targets and larger stop loss. Okay? So if your strategy from day one identified you as a swing trader, this is your path. Okay? This is your path to get a higher success rate. The swing accounts. That's why they offer you Phidias Propfirm swing account, and that's why maybe they are the only one Propfirm in the world who offers you a swing account, guys. Why why nobody else are offering to their customers a swing trading accounts? Just think about that, guys. Think about that. Okay. Next one. Your framework, your daily framework. So ask yourself these 3 questions. First one, do I struggle with trailing drawdown? If the answer is yes, choose the 25k static account. If the answer is no, just keep going, continue. The second question is, do I want to hold positions overnight? If the answer is yes, choose swing. And if the answer is no, choose fundamental. The third question and the last one is, what's my primary goal? Fastest route to live. So the fastest one is the 25k static account. You can get until 5 accounts. Largest evaluation size. If you want the largest evaluation size, you need to take the fundamental or swing one. It's up to 150k. And the swing one get a higher probability of success. Okay, that's the swing one. Okay, the wrong pathway can cost you months of time, guys. The right pathway gets you to consistent payouts faster. You should know that. Okay, and now let me show you the exact blueprint for operating a funded account. That's where we're gonna talk about your framework. Okay, so Once you have passed your evaluation, you activate it, and then now the real game begins. When you are in cash, in funded account. This is where discipline separates professionals from gamblers. Let me give you the complete operating system for consistent payouts. The daily operating system. Every trading day follows this structure. So first of all, you have your pre-market. So review for that overnight developments. For example, news, economic calendar, geopolitical events, and everything, guys. Identify key levels on your primary instrument. Define everything in pre-market, guys. Define your directional bias, bullish, bearish, neutral. Set your profit target for the day if you want to. Personally, I don't like to set a profit target. For example, $150 for 50k, $200 for 100k, $250 for 150k. It's up to you. Then confirm your max loss limit, 50% of daily target, for example. Each one of these aspects, each one of these elements, you need to write this down on a paper or in a journal. This 15 minutes routine prevents emotional trading, guys. So that's what for this pre-market. Okay. So volatility settled, opening chaos has calmed, direction is usually clear. Institutional flow by 10 a.m. institutions have no, that's just later when we're gonna get at this prime window, okay? But now I'm gonna talk about the opening. And look at today. I was fucked today on the Nasdaq. I was fucked. Opening market open, but sometimes it offers you a lot of opportunity, but sometimes some others trading day, because it's choppy, the market just trapped you, and that's why at the open it stays a danger zone. This is where most traders lose money. The first 30 minutes of the session have the highest volume, the highest volatility, and the worst trader decision making. Why? Because price action is erratic. Today it was the best example. It was so erratic, so choppy today. You get fake breakouts, you get liquidity grabs, you get whipsaws, and you need to know all these things. And even if you know all these things, you could still lose on every opens. Okay, so here's the rule. It's better, especially for a beginner, to wait for a direction. Don't trade the first 5-10 minutes. Just watch it, especially for a beginner. Let the market show its hand. Are we breaking above yesterday's high? Are we rejecting a key level? Is there clear momentum in one direction or not? And once direction is established, then boom, you execute it. Okay, and now I arrive on the prime trading window on a trading session from 10 a.m. Eastern time to noon. So in Central time is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, this is your sweet spot. Volatility has settled. Direction is usually clear. This is where your edge appears. All data from the 19,000 traders showed that the first 60 minutes after market open produced the strongest results for winning traders. Not the first 30 minutes, the first 60 minutes starting from 10 a.m. Eastern time. Why? Because by 10 a.m., institutional money has established direction, okay, market makers, for example, and all this on. Retail panic has subsided. The real trend, if we have a trend and if we are in a trend of the day is beginning, that's because of all these things. This is for funded live accounts, correct? For every account. I'm just explaining right now how to get your maximum chance to win and to be profitable in trading, especially on Propfirms. But I'm just later. I'm coming on the live account. Okay. Then, so after this one, the afternoon sessions, we have lower volume, choppier price action. This is where funded accounts go to die. If you see a clear setup within your works, just take it during this session of the day. But if conditions are choppy, just shut down and come back tomorrow. Never force trades in low volume environments just to hit your profit targets. Okay? And then after the close, end of day, journal your trades, what worked, what didn't, emotional state, review your P&L against your rules, plan for tomorrow. This 10 minutes review is non-negotiable. It's how you build self-awareness and improve over time. Boom! And we arrive about the week structure. For example, Monday, just review the week ahead. For example, all the major economics data, FOMC meeting, earnings season, and so on. Tuesday to Thursday, prime trading days. Highest volume, best setups you need to take. Okay? Friday, just add an early close risk because it's Friday. Be conservative for that. Okay? It's better to get and end the week in a nice way, in a good way, than in a in a wrong way or in a bad way. Because then you have the weekend, and during the weekend you cannot trade, and then you're gonna spend a bad weekend too. Okay, so Friday is a special day. Just be conservative. Never take aggressive positions on Friday afternoon. Too much weekend risk. Boom! And now I'm gonna explain you a quick recap on payout requirements. Here's the exact process for requesting payouts at Phidias. Let me drink. And the Nasdaq is doing another pullback on my thin lines. We'll see if it's a good one or not. But I'm done for the day. I'm done. So, for what I just wrote, 10 profitable trading days between payouts, yeah, $500 minimum payout amount, yeah, minimum, 80% your profit share, yeah, okay. No. Okay, so for fundamental and swing cash accounts, you need to get a minimum of 10 profitable trading days between payouts requests for first 3 payouts, okay? Then you need to, a profitable trading day is as I said just before, $150 on a 50K, $200 on a 100K account, or $250 for a 150K account minimum. That's what we Phidias consider it as a profitable trading day. Then minimum payout amount is $500. Maximum payout per request is $2,000 for a 50K account, $2,500 for a 100K account. Maybe I wrote it. Yeah. Okay. Max payout $2,000 for a 50K account, $2,500 for a 100K account, and $2,750 for a 150 account. And that's the minimum threshold, to the minimum buffer to get to be able to ask a payout. All right. Of course, your balance after payout must remain above, just above $100. Okay, your basic balance plus above $100. So $50,000, $100 for a 50K account, $100,000 for a 100K account, and $150,000 $100 for a 150K account. That's just classic. Then for I don't have. For the 25K static live accounts, no minimum trading days. Funded account. Sorry, for the static funded account, no minimum trading days. No, the minimum payout is $500. No maximum payout limit. Can request payouts daily as long as balance remains above starting balance, plus $100. Okay. The static account is a special one. You have $500. Which is gonna send in your live account. Then you have $800. Which is gonna be credited to your wallet. Then you have, at the minimum, you are allowed to withdraw $500 or maybe until $800. Okay, for every 25K static account. Or you can send it to your live account too. Okay, that's why this static account is really interesting. Boom. Then the payout processing. All payouts go to your Phidias wallet first. From the wallet, you can transfer it to your Rise account. So your bank account. You can purchase new evaluation. You can pay activation fees or pay new accounts and fund your live account with additional capital. Phidias takes 20% and you receive 80% for each payout. And the processing time is around a few hours. Boom! Next one, the gold. The golden rule of payout frequency. More frequent small payouts beats infrequent large payouts. Why? Just because every payout is psychological proof that your system works. It reinforces discipline. It builds confidence. Propfirm name, please. Sam, do you know where you are? Oh wait. The PPTV is calling the Propfirm. PPTV. Traders who request payouts every 10-12 days have a 67% higher account retention rate than traders who try to build their balance for 30 days or more before requesting a payout. Okay, but in the same time, you need to manage your risk. So you need to play between this taking a long time to making and managing correctly your risk and making your buffer, making some wins, and in the same time just in the good days, don't how can I say, don't hesitate to take your payouts if you are able to get some payouts. Okay, that's what I want to mean by that. Your goal isn't to maximize your balance. Your goal is to maximize consistency. So that's why if you are able to take regular payouts, prove to yourself that you can do this repeatedly. That's how you build a long-term funded trading career. Then the transition to live, where the real freedom begins. The live account at Phidias is the end game. This is where everything changes. Let me show you what's different. First of all, cash accounts. So cash account, as I say, that's the funded account, and the funded account are simulated funds. Okay, that you know. And on this cash account, of course, you have to, what I just explained before, you need to 10 trading days between payouts, maximum payout limits, 30% consistency rule applies, and trades are replicated on firms' corporate accounts. Okay? For not everyone, but for a few one. Then on a live account, no minimum trading days, no payout limits in maximum. Okay, the minimum payout limit stays at $500. You cannot lose it. Yes, that's exactly. I see you don't pay taxes. It's better to pay taxes that you don't pay it. Where I was. So yeah, the minimum payout stays at $500 on the live account, but then no limits, there's no maximum, no consistency rule, and direct trading on live capital. And a real live capital. Your profits are yours immediately. Account is with Phidias partner broker. Okay. The partner broker is via Dorman Trading. Boom. And how to reach a live account. No, don't spend. But it's complicated to make declarations. Option 1. The first option is free payouts on a single cash account. Trade one cash account to free successful payouts. After your third payout on the same account, you are offered transition to live. The second option is to get $75,000 cumulative payouts. For example, if you are getting all these payouts with all your accounts by Phidias Propfirm, then from this point you receive a transition to the live account. And the last option is the third option is get 5 25k static cash accounts. If you pass 5 25k static evaluation accounts, you're gonna get the maximum of this live which is gonna be credited on your live account. Okay, so $500 minimum which is gonna be credited to your live account until 5. All 5 transfer to one live account. Okay, and then what happens during transition? Your remaining cash accounts balances are credited to your live account up to certain limits per account size. Your live account is opened with a real partner broker. You receive increased position size allocation. All payouts restrictions are just removed, and you're now trading real capital. That's the holy grail for every traders who are just profitable. Then the position sizing on this live account. Your position size on live accounts is determined by your account balance, your trading history, and the risk management assessment by Phidias. Starting allocation is typically conservative. As you prove consistency, you can request increases. Why this matters? This is professional capital allocation. You are now operating like an institutional trader with firm backing, okay? And where we arrive on these incredible points, the elite and master levels. The elite live, after 60 days of live trading, after 60 days of live trading with balance reaching $125,000, including the cumulative payouts, you reach elite live status. So you're gonna be credited to your live account $25,000 added to your starting balance, increase position size limits, and the other one is the double, the master live. The master live, so it's after 120 days of live trading with balance reaching $250,000, as usual, including cumulative payouts. You reach this master live status. Phidias will credit it to your live account plus $50,000 added to your starting balance. You're gonna maximize your position size allocation, and this is the career path. This is where you build generational wealth through disciplined trading. Okay, no drawdown on live account. Your drawdown on a live account stand is your balance. So and it's like your own account, your own personal trading account. So your drawdown is when you blow up all your accounts, so zero. That's why if you succeed to maximize your allocation on your live account, that's why it's so really interesting, and that's why I'm trading for this year to maximize my live account in 2026 by Phidias Propfirm. That's my main objective for this year. And everything in live, baby. Once I'm on live, could I trade on Ninja Trader? Only when they are going to be available with Phidias Propfirm, and they are not yet available. For the moment, you cannot trade yet with Ninja Trader and Phidias Propfirm. But once, I don't know when, but once they are going to the collaboration between them are going to be official and is going to work. Yes, you will be able to trade your live account with Ninja Trader and Phidias Propfirm. So next one, the benefits of trading a live prop account vs personal capital. Let me be direct. Trading your own money and trading Propfirm capital are completely different games. With personal capital, you risk your own savings. Your losses hurt emotionally and financially. Your limited capital equal limited profit potential. And there's no accountability structure. Easy to break your rules. With Propfirm capital, you risk the firm's money and not yours. After passing risk the first money after passing a cash account. All right, your losses are limited by drawdown rules on a cash account, but on a cash account. So a cash account is a funded account. So that's why the losses are limited by drawdown rules. But then when you have a live account, there's not anymore drawdown rules or every restrictions, okay? The only thing is you don't have to blow it up this live account because it's the money of the Propfirms, okay? That's the only rule in a live account, and that's not your live account, that's not your own money, okay? That's the money of the Propfirms. That's why it's so interesting. So even if you are blow it up, never mind, it's not your own money, okay? Then unlimited scaling potential, because if we are getting a lot of the maximum allocation accounts by Phidias Propfirm, so the maximum allocation by Phidias Propfirm is getting 5 static accounts, 500k fundamental account, and 500k swing accounts. That's the maximum allocation size to increase the maximum as possible your live account, okay? So if you have this and you manage it pretty good, you can get a huge live account, and that's my main objective this year, okay? And then build it, accountability, rules, force, discipline. So the psychological freedom of trading you don't personally own is immeasurable. I pronounce it badly, I know, but it's because you don't personally own this money is underrated, because everything is passed in your mental capital, psychologically, and because it's not your personal money on your live account, that's a game changer. And if you are really profitable in trading, that's what it should be your main objective, to get a live account on a Propfirm. And by Phidias Propfirm, it's a real live account with real money. You trade cleaner. You follow rules better. You don't revenge trade. Why? Because the stakes are different. This is why professional traders prefer Propfirm capital over personal capital. It's not about the money, it's about the structure. Okay, guys? So tomorrow, as usual, we're gonna advance the execution. I'm going to trade as usual every day, okay? And I have a discretionary trading method. That's why I'm trying to, I can take a long and a short, reverse, and playing a lot of things at the open or even later. I know myself. I know when I should stop. I know, but I have my own rules, and that's why, for myself, I prefer to trade a discretionary trading method, and that's what I show you every day. And tomorrow we're gonna trade it as usual, and I just hope that it's going to be, that it will be a better trading session than today. For example, today I tried to trade this open. I was just fucked, and then after the same thing, and now from this time of the day, I know, and this kind of price and this kind of volume, I know that I've not anymore the probability in my favor. So I know that I just need to walk away on the chart, okay? If I want to be profitable on the year, okay? But then you see that we had every time a pullback on the 1 minute thin lines. So guys, to end this day 2 of this bootcamp, just take action today. Now you have the blueprint to get and to be funded on Phidias Propfirm and get a live account by Phidias Propfirm, you know all the rules. And if you have any question, I'm here every day from Monday to Friday. You know where to find me. So for example, for those who wants to, before tomorrow's session, just choose your pathway. If you want to get a live account or being funded the fastest as possible, you need to choose your pathway according your personality, according your trading personality. So either a 25k static account or a fundamental or a swing one. Then take one, map out your payout timeline, how many days to first payout, for example. Then calculate how many payouts to live, okay? And calculate your sizing too. You need to have the right sizing in order of the volatility. And that's it. That's it. That's it. And of course, write it down and make it concrete. Okay, guys? A goal without a plan is just a wish. And wishes don't get funded. Okay? See you tomorrow for day 3. But before that, as you know, I'm gonna ask you some 5 or 6 questions, and I'm gonna take a note of everyone who's answering to these questions, and all those who answered these questions about yesterday, today, and tomorrow. They will get a chance to win a giveaway tomorrow without the craze, guys. Without the craze, okay? So I'm gonna ask you directly the questions about the what we just talked today. So the first one is about psychology. According to the training, so to the evaluation, what is the one reason 78% of funded traders never receive a payout? Okay, A, their strategy stops working. B, they don't trade enough days. C, they change their behavior once real money is on the line. D, they don't understand the platform. What's the answer, guys? C. ABC only. Okay, let's take everyone. Did he say I was the... Very good information, thank you. I hope for some people it helps a lot. How many trades today, for example? It depends on your trading method or trading system. For some it's gonna be 0, or others 5, or others 10, or others 50. It depends. Hello Gaetanos, what's up, baby? So, boom. No. Next question. We have, I'm gonna ask you 6 questions, okay? The second question is, what is the correct response when you give back more than 50% of your daily profit? A. Reduce position size and continue. B. Take one last high probability trade. C. Stop trading immediately for the day. D. Increase size to recover faster. That's an example of one risk management rule that you can apply for your trading system. See. Stop trading. Still see. Boom. Okay, next question. Why is the drawdown on funded accounts actually more dangerous than during evaluation? It's smaller. A. B. It stops trailing, create false confidence. C. It's updated only weekly. D. It resets daily. Everyone is thinking about the right answer. BB Fox C. A. 4. Wrong. B. D. Wrong. A. Wrong. B. Right. It's B, guys. Because it stops to trail at plus $100. So I'm gonna start by J. BB for B. Yeah. Yes, that's alright. No. Okay, become big balls. Oh yeah, exactly. No. Difficult in English. That's even more better when it's difficult. Okay, question 4. On a funded cash account, what does the 30% consistency rule mean? A. You must be profitable 30% of the days. B. You cannot lose more than 30% in one day. C. No single trading day can exceed 30% of total profits. D. You must withdraw 30% every payout. Alexandre, si. English, my 5th language. Tushar, no way. But thanks to you, we are learning trading English and being funny. I try to do my best. I try to do my best. Even me, I'm learning every day English, guys. Even me. And that's nice. That's the most best things of what we are doing every day. Okay. See, you're right, guys. You're right. I tried to do it even a bit harder today than yesterday, but you're right. You're right. The most trappy question, it was the previous one. Okay, we arrive before we arrive at the question 5, the before last question. So the question is, which pathways offers the fastest and most flexible route to a live account with no consistency rules and no payout limits? A, the 100k fundamental. B, the 150k swing. C, the 25k static account. On every account you can get until 5 account strategy. So 5 accounts, okay? Not on the 150k, okay? Or personal capital account. C. It's always C, guys. 1. Wrong, Marco Polo, wrong. Oliver's X. Si. Okay, and the last question is, are you ready? Boom, 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 boom. Suspense. Oh, there's new music. Alright, according to the payout blueprint that I gave you just earlier, what leads to higher long-term success? A, one large payout per month. B, holding profits as long as possible. C, frequent small payouts. D, trading every day to reach 10 days faster. Let's go, baby! Capital C. PPTV. Always so, that's the right answer, PPTV. C again, C. The answer was C. Alexandre. Do the story, live video for me, Marco Polo. C. Le C. All right. Okay, we're good for these 2 days of this bootcamp, guys. We're good. We are good. And the market is just ranging. Volatility is shrinking. We didn't break this trend line, so that's why I'm expecting that these bullish moves is gonna keep going. Let's take a look quickly on the VIX. The volatility on the VIX. The VIX is just dumping a bit and filling this gap slowly. So if we are staying like that on the VIX, the Nasdaq and all the US indices are going to tens higher, okay, and stays in these bullish moves. But wow, no win today, no win. Wow. Just chopped. I have to be careful till next days. If I have one good day, I can recover this loss. But otherwise, I have to be just careful on this kind of opening. And in this kind of day, that's the worst day for me. 2 out of 3 done, Stanus. Thank you all joining. So guys, for all those who participated on the chat during the quiz for yesterday and today, you're gonna be able to win a giveaway tomorrow at the end of the live stream. So make sure to watch it. And I think I'm gonna do another. I don't know yet. I have to think about that. And all those who just answered on the chat for this quiz and who were active on the chat too, they are going to be able to win a giveaway tomorrow. I'm going to put all of you who were active on the chat in the giveaway software that you see every day almost. And then let's see tomorrow who are going to be the luckiest traders to win this giveaway. Thank you for the top education, loved it so far. Thank you to you to be here since yesterday, Lindsay. Brad, same, thank you so much. Great session flow, thanks. Thank you, Brad. Thank you. One time we need to call each other in live if you want, Brad. One time. Baron Trader, Duck Race. We can do one if you want, but there's nothing to win. Like yesterday, you have a great skill for viewers engagement. I try to do my best, but I can guarantee you, Tushar, today, it wasn't the most funniest live trading show ever, but I cannot be funny every day, especially when I'm losing. But never mind, guys, never mind. We are here to hustle every day, every single day. We are here to hustle. The up, the down, the middle up, the middle down, everything all together. Thank you all for joining us every day in increasing numbers on Phidias Propfirm live streams with Florian. Let's go, baby! We hope you enjoy watching them as much as we enjoy making them. Let's go, baby! It pisses me off. I missed some replies because of the video lag at my place. Marco Polo, don't worry. I noted you. Okay. I think. Bling bling, you were here yesterday, I remember. Yeah. Don't worry. Today I'm kind. I don't know why I'm kind. Oh, the craze today. We can do it. So, what? Don't. Oh, let's do one if you want. Just if you want to do it, just let me know in the chat, and let's do organize one. See you tomorrow, stronger than ever. Let's go, baby! Duck race, bro, please. Okay. Let's do 5 at least. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you. You too, Jay. You too. See you tomorrow. Time of aperitif, Marco. Duck. Thanks for all of you who wants to do a duck race. I can't believe it. I wasn't here for the race yesterday. We didn't even do a race. Nice Formula 1 short. Nice F1 short, by the way. F1? Hell yeah, Marco Polo aperitif time. Fuck the market all in. Let's go, baby! Wins and losses are part of this game. Yeah, that's why. We are here every day in live stream. Coin. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay. You just make me want to do a duck race, because me too, I want to do it. Everybody is duck addicted. We are even more addicted than trading the Nasdaq or just trading. We trade during Christmas, between Christmas and New Year, when it's the worst conditions to trade. And by the way, we won in this period. But we love even more to do a duck race than trading, guys. First raid out of 20 days, still pretty good, bro. Oh, for you or for me? Ah, Trinidad won't remind me time in the army. Yeah, we are in mission. We are in mission, Quackhead. Quackhead. Okay, so I'm gonna launch the giveaway software for the registration of this duck race, where there's nothing to win. Okay. Fake duck race PPTV Phidias. Okay. If you want to register to another and a new one duck race, just put in the chat fake duck race PPTV Phidias. Let's go, baby! Can the winner be displayed on the Wall of Fame? Of course, of course. Okay, so the winner is going to be displayed on my Wall of Fame at my home. Yeah, okay. So the winner, at least, he's going to win something. The notoriety to be on my freaking wall, on my home, in my home. Let's go, baby! Who is going to be on my Wall of Fame? Okay, I let 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. There's a problem with the chat or what? Fame wall. Here is the code. Ah. No, I love this song. I love this song. Let's go! Let's do the Vietnam War. Let's go! We are in mission, guys! Who's going to win the duck race? Okay. 1 minute! 1 minute before the end! It might... Ah, maybe fake words are banned. Yeah, there's a problem. No, normally it's supposed. Yeah. Okay. You know what? We're gonna start again. Short race. I need to go. Sorry, Brad. You know, Brad. I'm going to add you. I'm going to add you. Oloiso, I'm going to. There's a problem with the registration, guys. And Oloiso just send me fame wall of duck. Okay, so we're gonna change the code. Stop, reset. No. I'm just going to change the code. Bam, reset. Bam. Okay. It's better. Fame wall of duck. Because there's a problem. Fame wall of duck. Coin. Coin. Fame wall of duck. Damn! Fame wall of duck. Let's go, Loixo, you are here. Let's go, baby. Ah, that's better. Fame wall of duck, guys. Who is going to be display on my wall with the best messages? Okay, Brad, you are here, Brad. Already 20 participants. Okay. No. Even me, I participated. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Already 27 participants. On your duck wall, one day we will see lots of ducks. Oh, I don't think about that. I didn't think about that. Oh shit. Vamos. Okay. 1 minute. At 15. It's 14. It's midday 14. In 1 minute. In 15. Let's close it. This registration. Ah, it's working better than before. Yeah. Okay, fake. I know that I don't have to use the fake word anymore. Okay, 30 seconds. And by the way, don't forget to put a thumbs up on this live stream. The best trading show ever. And subscribe to the YouTube channel, of course. Oh, Pepe, hello Pepe, who wants to be on my wall today? Fame wall of duck. We have to offer you some duck stickers to put on it. Okay, done. We have Pepe. Yeah, we have Pepe. Propfirm Brazil. You are already there, I think. Propfirm Brazil. Where are you, Propfirm Brazil? Why you are not here, Propfirm Brazil? Pepe. Skillsy. Florian. No, we have some guys. Okay, let's take all of you. Bomb. Okay. If you write it wrongly, Propfirm Brazil, it's not gonna work. But don't worry, I'm gonna add you. No, 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 no. Okay. Names, edit list. Renew. $39. We need to add Propfirm Brazil and my cake. Okay, done. Done for today. Okay, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And Thursday we are coming. We are starting. We're gonna start it back Thursday. So after tomorrow, the real duck race. And last Friday we have did a 22 minutes duck race. So Thursday, if we are reaching 100 likes on the live stream, we're gonna do 25 minutes of duck race. Let's go, baby, 25. And the maximum, I think I'm gonna stop at 30 minutes of duck race. Okay? Let's go, baby. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Adam, don't worry, there's nothing to win. Unless to be on my wall. Okay! Lindsay takes the lead! Gaston Peralta is second! Alexandre third! Florian Trader, the Rainbow Duck! He's in the front in the peloton with Super Simon Scalper, Nero Someo, the first one! Luna La Full Time Capital! Let's go! Always so read the name! Jogi Meister, my cake with a lot of heart and a big duck race.
We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do, we gotta
2
get out of this
2 minutes remaining.
There's a better life for me and you.
No. 2 minutes remaining before the end of this duck race. My cake, the first one. Let's go, Full Saint Capital, Florian, Room Trader, Ski Game, Phidias, Propfirm at the middle of the peloton, Oliver, Brad is slowly coming back, Boom, Marceau, Pepe. What the fun, pink in the neighborhood. Hey, Mr. Big Boy, you are pink today, pink day.
If it's something
oh, everyone is set all together. Oh la, it's gonna be close for the win. Alright, in only a bit of more than 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, everyone is going. It's a sprint, guys. It's a sprint. It's a duck race sprint today. Come on, Ducky Duck. Okay, who's gonna be the fastest? Who's gonna launch the sprint first? Who's gonna be so exhausted that just in front of the finish line they are going back in the peloton too? Okay, 50 seconds. The sprint is going to launch. Come on, Duck.
can you call?
Okay, Pepe, where are you, Pepe? I cannot see you. Tiny Toons, the last
sleeping in
double
your
times
bed.
winner.
Ow, who you gonna call?
Darren still see. Okay, 35 seconds. Ming, Mirage message, Ming. Whoa.
I ain't afraid of
Who's winning? Who is going to win? 20 seconds. Right now you need to launch a sprint. You need to launch it. Super Saiyan Scalper. He's attacking with Tiny Toons again. Tiny Toons is getting tired. Eros Someo. You will win, Eros Someo. Let's go, baby! Eros Someone, the guy, the French guy, that's every single day he's here and tell me, salut, salut, salute, salute. Come on, donkey, swim harder. Oh, I forgot that I'm vegetarian. Let's go, Eros Someone. Oh no. Pepe Duck is coming. Let me tell you. Okay, Rosso, so from tomorrow you're gonna see. Actually, you are not going to see your name because it's gonna be so small. But from tomorrow, you're going to be on my wall, Rosso. Congrats for that. Congrats. Huh? Pink Duck is a big Wow, it's so amazing, Eroso, just incredible, it's so crazy that you won, good job. See you, ladies and gentlemen, see you, Loixo, thank you to be here today, and see you tomorrow, Loixo. Like all of you guys, thank you so much to be here on the chat or watch the live stream. I hope that you put a thumbs up. And today is just a bad day on the markets. It's happened. Okay, so we're coming back tomorrow and doing the job tomorrow again. And just hoping that tomorrow is a new day, new opportunity. And a potential winning day. A potential winning day. Meanwhile, we are just going to hustle, like every day. Thanks, Florian. Thank you to you, Alexandre. See you tomorrow. Do you know Robert Westbrook's story? We have cracked the market. Hey, he has cracked the market. No. I'm gonna take a look. Robert Westbrook. I'm gonna take a look. Thank you, Pepe. Thank you. He's born at Christmas 1945. He's an old one. He's an American writer. He's the son of Okay. I'm gonna take a look on it. Hi, Flo. Glad to hear that. To read that, Erosomeon. Congrats again. Glory Trade double XL. Time aperitif today. Have a good aperitif, Marco Polo. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Pretty girls. Fence cars.
That's just a facade. The blue separates self-image from my mind. The real man. Look at my yeah. This is where we hustle. Every day I'm hustling.
I'm a little duck. I'm gonna fly. He earned millions but ended up in prison. No way. Really? Thank you, Pepe, to share me this story. I'm gonna read about that and read it. Bro. We're gonna try to do the same, Pepe. Win a lot of millions, but without ending in prison. Just correctly on the market! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Okay. The seven loop.
Every day I'm hustling. 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 Every day I'm.
We never steal cars, but we hard. Whip it real hard. Whip it real hard. I call the charge. I call the charge. Whip it real hard. Whip it real hard. Ain't about no funny stuff. Still flipping them chickens. I'm on my money stuff. Still whipping them Benzes. Major league. Who catching because I'm pitching? Jose Canseco just snitching because he finished. I feed them steroids to strengthen up all my chickens. They flying over Pacifics to be specific. Triple C's, you know it's fact. We holding sacks, so good and gon' rap. Run and tell them that. More cars, more O's, more clothes, more.
Every day I'm hustling. 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 Every day I'm.
It's time to spin my thrills. Custom spinning wheels. I ain't drove in a week. Them did a spinning steel. Talk about me, cause these suckers scared to talk about me. Killers talking about me. It ain't no talk about me. It ain't no walking around me. See all these killers around me. Lot of around me going down in Dade County. Don't tote no 22. Cost me 22. Sat it on her 22. Lil' mama super thin, she say she 22. She seen them 22, we in room 222. I touch work like I'm convertible Burt. I got distribution, so I'm converting to work. In the MIA, yo, them rich off, yeah, yo. My shit banging it, yo.
Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling.